Hi guys, Vishal from EV Vish. Just a quick demo on how to install our dual motor emblems. So when you receive your pack, you'll get all the necessary bits that you need to do the job. So you've got your adhesive remover, your microfiber cloth, you'll have a bit of fishing line to cut off the existing emblem, and then you'll have your dual motor emblem as well. So to start off with, what I'd say is just wipe down the surface around where it says dual motor and just clean that up, because we're going to stick a bit of tape to make sure we get the alignment correct. So to start off with, what we're going to get a bit of masking tape or something, and we want to line it up just underneath the dual motor so that we know where the new badge is going to go. What I've actually noticed while doing this is that the original badge isn't straight. If it's not, try and make it as straight as you can from the center. So I think that is fine there. What you'll notice that it's actually touching the letters there, but there's a bit of a gap on both sides. That's fine. Just when you put the new badge on, you want to stick the center to kind of be touching the badge exactly how it is. What we'll also do is have another bit of masking tape where the D starts, just so we know when we put the new emblem where the D is going to line up to. So that will line up our new one perfectly. So to start off with, just to loosen up the adhesive that's currently on there, what we want to do is get a hairdryer or a heat gun, but just be a bit careful when doing this not to apply it in one position for a long time, as it can burn the paintwork. But turn it on and start warming up the adhesive. So now that you've heated up the badge, the adhesive should be warmed up, so fairly easy to cut through. So what you want to do with your fishing line is start from where the D is and slowly start just cutting through, and the letters should come off. You'll notice that because it's warmed up, it will be fairly easy to cut through. So you can see how easy they're kind of just coming off. So what you want to do now is, now that you've got this adhesive left here, there's nothing else you can really do apart from just start peeling it off. If you can use other tools that you might see that could work, but basically you just want to start getting off all of this larger part of the tape, existing tape. And usually I found just using your fingers or something similar like that, that should be fine. So once you've kind of peeled off all the big parts of the existing adhesive, what you want to do is, using your adhesive remover that's supplied in the pack, just spray some onto the cloth and start using that to basically wipe off the remaining adhesive. What you notice is the more you just carry on scrubbing, it will start coming off. So just keep at it, and eventually all of the existing glue will come off. Once you've taken off basically once all the adhesives come off, just wipe it with the clean side of the cloth, just to prepare it for when you're going to stick the new one on. That's it. So what you want to do after that, once you've wiped off all the remaining adhesive, is get your badge, the new one, and just line it up, and you'll see, but basically you want to line the bottom line up with the tape that you stuck earlier on, and just have it pretty much straight, and just so you can see how you're going to be putting it on. So to install it, you want to take the back cover off first. So simply remove that back cover by just removing it like this. Once you've got it off, line it up and just stick it on there like that. So I'm just going to do that now. Hi guys, sorry the battery died as I was just sticking this on, but what you've noticed is that the line at the bottom actually fits perfectly with the tape that we lined up. So unlike the official one, this is straight, and what I've done is just had the D line up with where we started there, so it's all kind of stuck on. Just push down quite firmly on all the letters and just make sure kind of each one is stuck. Just put a bit of pressure on each one. Once you're happy with that, the top layer, what you want to do is just peel off, and there you have it, your new emblem installed. So we're just going to take off the tape now. Just carefully take that off, and you have it. So we'll just close the boot, and you get to see how that looks.